Hello beauty bees, it is me and I am back for another YouTube video. I know it's been a while. I've been trying to juggle this homeschooling my 3 brothers and my daughter, so it's been a little while. I am happy to announce that I am a brand ambassador of Seprofe or Seprofe. I'm not really too sure how to pronounce it. I was able to get this cute ass nude palette along with a set of brushes, as you guys can see. So I had a request for one of the makeup looks that I did a few weeks ago, and this palette actually came in perfect time because I was going to do my tutorial on it, and they have all the colors I need. Let's look at how bomb that is, and they came right on time for the fall season. Like, I am a sucker for these shimmery colors, and I can't wait to get my finger into this gold because I feel like with my skin complexion it'll look so bomb. So without further ado, I would love for you guys to join me, watch this video, and enjoy your time. Let's get started with this old look that I had on. So what I started for my base was just my regular concealer. I'm using LA Girl for my eyelids. If you guys, well, I haven't been on here often, but I've been on TikTok and my Instagram live religiously. LA Girl is always going to be my go-to just because when it's cheap, it's affordable, you don't spend too much money, and like the consistency stay perfect in my personal opinion. Alright, so we got our base. Alright, so we're gonna dip a little bit into this James Charles palette to get a little bit more of a vibrant red out of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this color here. I don't remember what it's called after I took the plastic shielding off. So okay, so this I think I got for a Christmas present like 3 years ago. It's the Sonia Kush from Target. So we're gonna dip in there, and we're just gonna go around. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna dip into this in your Elegance nude, and we're gonna use the color Inception. Like, it's such a brand new palette. I'm so scared of using it. It's so beautiful. Alright, so this is one of the brushes that they sent to me. I'm gonna try it out as a nice little blending brush. I feel like it's too soft, but I guess we'll see. I'm so scared. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. Okay, we're gonna put that. Oh, okay. This brush and this pigment is everything. It is a little soft and different from what I usually work with. I think it's because the bristles are a little bit longer, but I am loving the pickup and the blending. Like, you guys are witnessing this right now. Bong, look at that. Okay, girl. So we're gonna go back into this palette and we're gonna dip into Love Letter. This is bomb ass dark brown right here. It's fucking beautiful. Okay, so now they sent me I'm assuming it's a concealer brush, but I already have so many concealer brushes. I'm gonna use this to kind of like perfect that crease. So, ooh, this one's gonna be perfect for it because the brush is like super stiff, so I'm excited. Do you see that color? Fucking bomb. Alright, so now we're gonna go back into it with this concealer brush and this LA Girl. Okay, so one thing that I love to do, it's a trick that I have always used on my Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that shit, like so one way to make sure that when you do your cut crease, none of your makeup kind of like overlaps each other, because I have multiple folds on my eyes, so they all kind of crease on top of each other, and both eyes are different. Okay, so what I do is I place just a little bit right along the bottom, just like that, and you let the rest do your work. Literally, it's that easy. And you kind of just roll your eyes around so you can really know where you need to cut your crease. And then connect the dots. Cut. All right, so now we're gonna go into, what color is this? Fling. It's like this golden bronzy orange. Grab that bad boy. I want to make sure there's enough packed in there, because we're gonna place it, not drag it. When you place your powder into your concealer, it holds and latches on better. So I use this one to do the majority of it, but I'm gonna use this angled brush that they sent me to get into the tight space. Take this. And that is what it looks like. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go back into that dark color that we had, love letter, right down here. We're gonna go do like a small pointed brush and go ahead and grab that color. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try really hard to make sure we don't get any fallouts. Tap it off. And we're gonna go right. We're not gonna blend yet because we want to make sure we have our placement. You see how it's already blending itself when you're not too harsh. And then one thing that I would also do, take this brush back, dip it back in there, and make sure you perfect that line so that there's no breakup. And then I'm gonna go back and use the brush that you used for the red with the leftover product that's in the brush and color it through.